Today I'm going to show you how I would use an emoji on my TradingView chart. Now usually you won't see many emojis being used, personally because they clutter your chart. But if you do want to use them, then you can look at the left toolbar on your screen, go towards the heart icon or underneath the text icon, and then you can click on more icons. Once there, what I could use is I would use either a tick or an X where my trades have gone well or where my entry positions have failed or reached their take profits. For example, let's say I had traded a short position from here to here, and this is where I would exit. I could add in a check mark showcasing that this was a successful trade. Instead, I could actually opt for something else. Since we are trading the euro against the US dollar, I could add an icon here just to remind me that I am trading the euro against the US dollar. Essentially, icons and emojis are used simply to enhance some of your visual preferences on the chart. But in reality, they do clutter your chart, therefore I would use them sparingly. Moreover, if you want, you can use stickers, emojis, and anything other that you could personally like. Moreover, you could use the arrows. For example, let's say I'm looking at the chart and I think the price here was going to move lower since failing to break a prior high. I could add in a downwards arrow, and then I could use this as a reference later if I had left my chart unattended. So these are a few uses for the emojis / icons on your TradingView charts.